Hi everyone, welcome to Basic and Advanced Science. Today we are doing the dictionary. So what is a dictionary? Dictionary tables can be used to capture the information related to currently defined lib names, table names, columns names, attributes, format and much more. Dictionary table can be accessed using the library reference dictionary in form of clauses of proc sequel select statement. Okay, so what is a dictionary? Dictionary is, let's suppose you have one drive and you are looking for some particular drive information, your file, how many files are in the particular file in that drive and particular library. So you can access, you can grab that information with the help of the proc sequel with the dictionary method. Okay, so how to put the proc dictionary here? So you have to write here first proc sequel, then we are using here select statement, select star. I'm selecting all, that's the reason I'm putting the select star from. Next is dictionary. So because we are looking for the all the information, okay, so I'm writing the dictionary dot dictionaries. Okay, from I'm looking for the information from the dictionaries. That's the reason I'm writing here dictionaries. Okay, then close, then run statement. Okay, now they will be show you all the information about the dictionaries. Okay, so now say the member types table, we have all the information available here. Okay, this is related to all your data. Okay, now lib name is here, name, everything is all the information about the SAS Studio data. They give you all the information. Okay, member type, dataset labels, which are the column name, column type, character, numericals. Okay, column length, column position, column number in table, column label, column format, column in format. Okay, so now but I'm looking for if I'm saying I'm looking for the particular library information. Okay, so we can also put the lib name here. Okay, proc sequel, then select star from. Okay, so now we are looking for the particular dictionary in library information. Okay, so I'm putting the dictionary dot lib names. Then quit statement. Okay, now if I run this code, now see here we have the all the library information. I have how many libraries we have? We have the SAS help, SAS user, web work and the work. Okay, now see here, this is my work library, this is my web work library. Next we have the SAS help library, then we have the SAS user library. All the library information is created. Okay, so this is method to how to get the information about the particular libraries. If you have some drive and your folders are saved there, so you can grab also the information about the folders. You can get this with the help of the proc sequel dictionary method. Okay, now I'm looking for the particular, let's suppose how to create the table. Now your data is here. Okay, now but you want to use that data. Okay, so you have to copy this data or you have to create the table. Okay, so I'm using the because you can't use that particular data from the here. Okay, because you have to convert it into the some particular table or some particular format. Okay, so we are using the statement is create table. Okay, create table. Now I'm creating the record. Okay, record as select star from dictionary dot lib names. Now my data is ready. Okay, because in the last one you can see the information in the content. Okay, now my data is converted into one of the file name table is a record. Okay, now see here that file name is work.record. Okay, and we have the lib name, engine, path, everything is here. Okay, then we have the level, read only, sequential, sys descriptions. Okay, sys name. Okay, then sys value. Okay, the format. Okay, now my data is converted into table. Now if I'm looking for that particular data, so I'm using the proc print data. Data name is record. Then run statement. Okay, now see here my data is here. Okay, so I can access that particular data if I want. Okay, so this is how to create the information. If you want a particular detail for the particular data, then you can use that particular proc SQL here. Okay, now I'm looking for the particular details and for the SAS help. Okay, so now I'm saying I'm looking for the particular information from SAS help. Okay, so how to create the particular library information. Okay, create a table of SAS help only. Okay, so I'm creating only for the SAS help. I want SAS help data, all the detail of SAS help in a data. Okay, so I'm writing the proc SQL. Proc SQL. Then we are creating one table, create table, because I want that output as a data. I'm given the table name as a data as select from where, from lib names. Okay, so I'm writing the lib names. I'm looking, sorry, because I'm selecting the not the all data, I'm looking for the okay, I'm selecting the all data from dictionary. If you are writing the dictionary.tables, they give you the statement is proc SQL create table data as a select star from dictionary.tables and where from lib name SAS help. Okay, now if I run this code, they give me all the information about my dictionary SAS help. Now see here in this SAS help we have the these air data, all these data here, and the data 9 and mem type, number, member types. Okay, this is all the labels in the data. Okay, this member type, creation date, the okay, number of observations, how many observation in my particular data. So you can get the number of observation also, and the observation listen, how many they grab the informations. Okay, protect, how many characters are there, encrypt or not, is okay. File size, what is a file size, what is a buffer size, all the information, number of observations, everything will be grabbed with the help of this command. Okay, so now my data is converted into table. Okay, now if you are looking for the particular data, you can write here proc print data. My data name is data. Okay, now run this code. Now see here your data is converted into the particular file, and if you want to extract it, you can write the ODS statement and you can grab that. Okay, now you are saying I'm not looking for the all these data, I'm looking for the particular 3 or 4 columns. So you can write here Okay, I'm writing this statement here in the down. So again, so you can write here not because I'm looking for the not looking for the all these data. Okay, I'm looking for the lib name. Lib names means your directory name. Okay, then mem type, mem name, member name. Okay, then next we are looking for number of observation. How many number of observation is available in my data? Okay, now we are looking for this one only. Okay, so now if you run this code, now see here we have only the three information: library name, your member type, your file name, and your number of observation. How many observations are available in these particular data? Okay, so this is easy to how to get this information. Okay, now if you want to extract it, you can extract it, and you can also rename that particular data. Okay, let's suppose I want to want to rename my data, so you can rename it. Let's suppose my lib name will be my, what is a lib name? Is a source file. Okay, is a source. Next is lib name is mem type, mem name. So your mem name is file name. Okay, next is your number of observation, NOPS. ANOPS means number of observation. So count of records, count of records. Okay, so this is all the information I want. Okay, now if you're putting the label statement in the proc print, so you have to put also here. If you're not putting, your format will be done. Okay, now see here we have the information. My source file name is my actual file name is count of records. So let's suppose in the air we have the 144 records, in the baseball we have 322 records. So it's very easy to grab the information about the with the help of the dictionary. You can grab the libraries. If you have the particular folders, you're looking for the particular folders in a particular data, how many number of observations are available in that particular data, you can grab it with the proc SQL and the dictionary statement. Thank you so much guys. Please like and subscribe my channel Sharma Ji Ka Gyan. Thank you.